Now, after understanding the Cossel-Lewis concept and the examples taken by Cossel, which leads to the formation of what ionic bond between two ionic species, we let us move to the next concept, which is called octet rule. See, the Cossel-Lewis approach towards the chemical bond is also called electronic theory of chemical bond. It's called electronic theory of chemical bonding, because the Cossel and Lewis were explaining the formation of the bond on the basis of exchange of electrons. Now, what happened is, after the examples which was taken by Cossel, Lewis introduced his own concepts, because the examples which Lewis studied were mainly from the covalent molecules having covalent bond. So what he said, that what is the basic of this octet rule is that the atoms attains stability, completes their octet, reaches to noble gas configuration either by transferring of electron or by sharing of electron. Now, the Lewis one was the first one who actually have studied the examples in which no transferring was taking place, actually the sharing of the electrons was taking place. And his study was carried forward by Langmuir, and then Lewis and Langmuir together explained the formation of many covalent molecules than by showing how the electrons are shared in these covalent molecules. So what is the basis of the octet rule is? Every atom is trying to have their octet complete. Every atom is trying to attain a stable noble gas configuration either by transferring of electrons or by sharing of electron. Transferring of electron leads to the formation of, as I have explained you, the ionic bonds, which are having the electrostatic forces of attraction. So the other name given to the electrostatic forces of attraction is the ionic bond, and the sharing of the electron leads to the formation of the another type of bond, which is called covalent bond, which is actually involving the overlapping of the atomic orbitals. So it was this octet rule which actually has taken us to the next type of a bond, which is actually a covalent bond. Now, covalent bond is a bond which is formed by the sharing of the valence electrons. Lewis and Langmuir, they were the one who actually first explained the formation of the molecules by the atoms by the sharing of their valence electrons. Now, in this, Lewis used the famous Lewis dot structures. Let us take these, like very simple example we can explain is the formation of hydrogen molecule. Like one hydrogen has one electron, another has also one electron. So their configuration is 1s1, 1s1. What they can do is they can reach to its own period's noble gas configuration, which is helium's configuration. How? When these two combine, and what they do is they start sharing these two electrons.